What's going on, fellow investors? Hope everybody's having a great day. Investing, I often say, is fun to me. I can't say it's fun to everybody, but it's fun to me. Even when I'm not making money, it can be fun. But I found an investment, an ETF, that I really believe is going to be a lot of fun. I'm looking forward to it. And not only is it fun, it's also making money. So it's going to be twice as fun for your boy Rod. And I am extremely excited about this. And this is the SoFi Social 50 ETF. Now, when I first heard about it, I thought it was dealing with social media. I thought I was going to have a little meta, for Instagram and Facebook, a little wherever, Snapchat, and a little alphabet for YouTube. But it was nothing like that. It was totally different. So I was like, well, why did he use the word social? If it's nothing to do with social and social media, we're going to find out today. Hey, welcome to Investing with Rod, everyone on this channel. We talk about stocks. We talk about crypto. We talk about exchange traded funds. More importantly, we talk to you about investing on a budget. You only have $5, $10, or $20 to invest every 2 weeks, every month, or every payday. You're in the right place because your boy, hold up, pause. Your boy is going to go a step further. If you only got $1 or $2, I'm going to show you how to take that, invest it, and make some money. I'm not a financial advisor. I won't be touching your money. You're going to be investing your hard-earned money yourself after doing your research. I'm just going to show you what I'm getting and let you make an informed decision. With all that being said, hit that subscribe button, baby. Hit that bell notification. Select all so you don't miss out on future content. Share the channel, share it with your family, share it with your friends, share it with those people you don't like, because if we're having fun, they may stop being so grouchy and start being, a little more chill. With all that being said, you know what time it is. Let's get paid, baby. All right, man. Y'all can see I'm excited, man. I love doing fun stuff. So here it is. We're going to go ahead and pull it up. This is the SoFi Social 50 ETF. Boy, they got me on this one. I tell you, man. But before I get down into it, before I get down into these numbers, we're going to look at some. What is this? And then what I did, I went ahead and bought $1 so I wouldn't forget about it. And I'm going to see, what is this? SFYF. I don't know which one is harder, Social 50 or SFYF. I'm going to stick with the trend. We're going to say the symbol. SFYF tracks an index of 50 U.S. listed stocks most widely held in self-directed brokerage accounts of SoFi securities based on highest weighted average value. All right, let me break that down in everyday terms. Basically, what they're doing with this ETF, whatever the SoFi investors are invested in, the top 50 investments, the top 50 companies, they're going to go ahead and put it into this ETF. Now, I want to say it's done every month. It could be every quarter, but they restructure it, and depends on what's the 50 most popular now. They may take some out, put some new ones in. So this is going to be kind of fun. But, hey, fun is cool with Rod. Let's see what's in there now before we go back to the top. So right now, the top 10, which is 55% of the ETF, is never going to show you all 50. I'm sure it's a way I can Google it. And I might do a separate quick shorter video to say that. But we got NVIDIA, which is 10%, 8% of Tesla, Amazon 5.7%, Meta 4%, Microsoft 4.7%, Palantir, Apple, Alphabet, Berkshire, AMD. People are really, I used to have AMD. I made quite a bit of money on AMD a while back. So it took all my profits, and can't say I regret it because it's been, doing its thing lately. But hey, man, that's what people are believing in right now. These are the top 10. Now, I'm making sure, there's no way to see. And the dividend on this is 9 cents per quarter, man. Not a lot of dividends. Like I said, this is fun, but let's see how fun this really gets. So in the last week, it's down. But I'm not going to sell in the last week. So I'm going to go over to my typical for stocks 3 months. Man, look at this here. Not only am I having fun, but your boy about to get 2 scoops, double dip, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to have twice as much fun because it's up 37.79% in the last 3 months, man. Boy, the people know what they're doing at SoFi. And I'm talking about the customers, the investors, the you and I's of the world. Boy, they getting the right stuff. Year to date, 7.89%. I'm not surprised. That's what everything's been doing. Now, the last year, what these people going to do for me? Now, this don't mean they're going to do this next year. This is what they did last year, but they up a cool 24.11. My threshold is typically 25% and up. It's not my threshold. That's my goal. But with the way this year started off, I take 24%. And let's see, have they been doing this for 5 years? I don't even know. Last 5 years, yeah, man, up 130. Boy, I wish I'd have found this a long time ago. So again, man, investing, SoFi Social 50 ETF SFYF, man. I could tell you, man, investing don't always have to be super serious. It could be fun as well. Take this down. It could be fun as well, man. We could always find a way to make mostly everything fun, but I'm not telling y'all to go put your money in this. I would get serious stuff first. You know, your broad market, your S&P 500 or your total stock market ETF. Then I would look at a growth ETF, then possibly a dividend ETF. Once I have those three, you can look at an international ETF like VXUS or VYMI. Both are Vanguard international ETFs. You can look at that, or you may decide after you get broad market growth and dividend, you might want to have a little fun and look at a little SFYF. You never know. Hey, do your boy a favor if you haven't done so. Subscribe to the channel, baby. You see, we have fun over here, man. I'm gonna be serious, but I don't care what I do. I'm gonna make it fun. On Points Blank Travel, my flagship channel, talk about credit and traveling and points and miles. I make it fun. On this channel, we're gonna make it fun. On Points Blank Experience, we make it fun, man. Life is already serious enough. We can wake up, not interact with no one, not even talk to anyone, and life be extremely serious. Why not have fun and enjoy when we can, while we can? Again, hit that like button, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Make sure you stay tuned for more heat, more fire, more knowledge, more importantly, showing you how to invest on a budget. As always, shoot for the moon. If you don't make it, you'll be amongst the stars. I can guarantee you, baby. I will be coming at you soon. Have a great week. Peace.